Better pay attention, people. It's the second game of the Western Conference Final, and these guys mean business.
They sure do. The teams going to work in this one are the Los Angeles Kings and the Detroit Red Wings. Johnson. Deadmarch corrals the puck. Joseph shuts the door. He scores upstairs.
The fans were looking for a goal, and thanks to a little wrist action, the puck rose to the occasion.
That's one straight out of the playbook.
Yeah, the section titled "The First Goal is Good to Get." Real good.
Yzerman won the faceoff. Yzerman shoots it. Potvin made the save. Allison. Deadmarch. One times it. He scores.
This guy's got plays that get the crowd on their feet faster than the national anthem.
Detroit took the early lead but couldn't hold on to it.
But no worries, they have plenty of time to get it back.
Solani. Lemieux with a howitzer. Johnson. Shot it. Door slammed shut by Joseph. Lemieux grabs the puck. Brewer has it. Johnson gets the pass from Potvin. Delayed penalty coming up. Joseph denies him. Chelios gets called for elbowing.
He must be feeling a bit of shame for taking that penalty.
Detroit will try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
The net comes loose and play is stopped. Palfi knocks the puck loose. Miller grabbed it. Yzerman. Breakaway. Brilliant save by Potvin. Detroit has a player down and right now looks very concerned.
He's a teammate, Jim, and no one wants to see a teammate go down.
Yzerman looks like he'll be out of this game for a while.
But he could still be back. Come on, think positive.
Nordstrom walloped his opponent with a nasty elbow on this play.
The ref's got to call that one. It was obviously intentional.
The faceoff goes to Detroit. Short pass. Nordstrom knocks him off the puck. Chartron. Los Angeles bobbles it up. Goes backhand. He gets mowed down. Palfi jumps on the loose puck. Chelios gets the pass from Joseph. Lemieux. Breakaway. Potvin with a stick save.
How easy did that look?
Nordstrom with the puck. Palfi. Palfi dumps it in on the inboards. Los Angeles takes control. Los Angeles puts its third line out. In all alone. Scores! Great goal!
Incredible plays are like box office smash hits. Everyone wants to make one, and the fans love to watch it. I'd like to propose a toast to the breakaway guy. May he brighten our lives with many a breakaway goal.
They're heading towards the end of it. Looks like trouble, Don.
Yeah, Jim, two high-pressure fronts have met, and it looks like we're in for a storm.
That last punch was pretty convincing.
It seems to have convinced the other guy to take a little nap.
Detroit penalty to number 6, Colin White.
Nylander.
5-minute major for fighting. Los Angeles penalty to number 20.
Tunge cranks it, misses.
A 5-minute major for fighting.
Shot the puck. Moldry stops the shot. Rosa. Brewer runs over Elorunta.
If you look up the word painful hit in the dictionary, which that hit most certainly was, you wouldn't find it, because painful hit is 2 words.
Caberlet scoops up the loose puck. Tunge shoots. Nia.
In the first period.
Elorunta corrals the puck. He gets laid out.
Forget baseball, that's a grand slam.
The first is now over. Detroit goes to the locker room with the lead.
So far, they've been able to control the tempo of this game, and when you can do that, good things happen.
Welcome back, everybody. Wow, this game is off to a great start.
Keeping it close, just the way I like it.
Yager. Robitaille shoots it hard. He scores off the post.
The goalie's down, the puck is in, he gives it to him on the chin.
They've really taken control of this game with a 2-goal lead.
My therapist says control is an illusion. She also says that Jim is not my father.
And by number 5.
Nylander grabs the puck. Tanguay, he gets laid out.
Hits him so hard, I'm surprised he didn't knock the colors off his uniform.
That's icing. Allison wins the draw. Saved by Joseph.
He has the opposing players shaking their heads out there.
Johnson, Joseph, great save.
The goalie really understands the concept of positioning.
And that's icing. Miller shoots. Saved by Joseph.
The key to making saves is timing.
Robitaille shoots the puck from the right. Los Angeles got it. Halfie. Chartrand gets it. He gets laid out.
Sends him flying, and he does it first class.
Yager grabs the puck. Robitaille fires it. Los Angeles corrals it. Chartrand has it. The Kings dump it. Halfie.
I see what happened, Jim. He thought he'd hook him and slow him down a bit, but in a weird turn of events, he ended up hurting him.
Lemieux won the faceoff. Schneider gets hold of the puck. Fires hard. Scores!
Any higher, and the crossbar would have had something to say about that.
Los Angeles has put their other goalie out on the ice.
They're going to play two at once?
I think the first guy's coming off the ice, Don.
Oh yeah, I knew that, but just think of the possibilities.
Yager, huge save by Storr. Storr hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux wins the draw. Blocked. Nordstrom. Nordstrom trapped offside and play is stopped. Robitaille. Scores! Top shelf!
Are you sure that isn't the same goalie as before?
Nope, it's the other guy.
Well, he let one in just like the other one.
Detroit is putting on an outstanding display of offensive power.
Wow, Jim, seeing you this pumped up is kind of weird, but I can get used to it.
That's okay, I'm still going to leave most of the freaking out for you. Lemieux. Miller knocks the puck loose. Solani. Storr hangs on for the whistle. Chartrand with the puck. Los Angeles scoops it up. Chartrand. Elaranta fires! The door is shut by Joseph.
If he can see it, he can stop it.
Lemieux. Lemieux stoned by Storr.
He's a true inspiration to guys who wouldn't have shot in that situation.
Shoots the puck. Joseph made the save.
That there's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo.
Joseph made the huge save. Schneider takes possession of the puck. Caberlet hits Deadmarsh White. That's offside. Wisnowski is down and in pain.
He's wincing with every breath. A sore rib, or worse yet, Ah, a cracked one will do that to you.
The pain appears to be too much. They're taking him out of this game for now.
Maybe for the night.
We'll wait for an update on the extent of his injuries. Rosa, Los Angeles, dumps the puck in. Tunge put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Modri, Elaronta got the puck. Rosa grabbed it. Laperriere, huge shot!
Completed his play in the second
Nylander takes it. Tunge! It's the end of the second period. Detroit in overdrive in this one, Don.
They've got the pedal to the metal and doing some damage, Jim. Lots more hockey to play here in the third.
You think? Let's drop the puck and get back to the action. Nordstrom scoops up the loose puck. Allison. Johnson, one-time shot. Los Angeles takes possession. Robitaille. Los Angeles has it now. Deadmarsh. Johnson shoots quickly. Joseph makes the save.
You got the shots? Well, my guy's got the stops.
Johnson shoots it. Joseph denies him. Robitaille. Icing is called against Detroit. Miller backhands it. Joseph denied him. Elaronta turned away by Joseph. Shoots the puck. Joseph made the brilliant save. Delayed call coming up. Fedotenko will go to the box for cross-checking.
And this infraction brings his team's penalty minutes to a total of, let's see, they're at 5,163.
What?
All right, so I need a count.
Los Angeles is up a man, and that spells trouble for the home team.
They'll need to dig deep to kill this penalty.
Shot the puck. Denied by Joseph.
Maybe the shooter zigged when he should have zagged.
Fedotenko has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Lemieux went long. Nordstrom with the puck. Johnson took it. Los Angeles beats out the icing call. Delayed penalty call for Detroit.
Detroit penalty to number 8.
Robitaille just threw his gloves off in a hurry.
Yeah, he seems to be nursing his hand. Not quite sure what happened there. There he goes down the tunnel. He might be out for the night.
We'll just have to wait and see. Johnson can't deny that hit was a boarding penalty.
A check into the boards from there is jeopardizing the other player, Jim. He needs time in the penalty box to think that over.
Lidstrom. Allison takes possession of the puck. Fires! Brewer gets in the way. Johnson jumps on the loose puck. Schneider. Joseph makes the save.
The window of opportunity has just been closed.
Los Angeles no longer has a one-man advantage as the opponent's player returns to the ice. Offside. Elaronta, hard shot, missed the net. Johnson scoops up the loose puck. Deadmarsh, one-timer. Offside, Detroit. The face-off goes to Detroit. Solani. Lemieux gets the pass from Joseph. Solani. Shoots the puck. Stoned cold by Storr. Solani. Brewer with a one-timer. Saved by Storr.
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Chelios. Shoots the puck. Storr denies him.
And the only red light that came on there was the stoplight.
Deadmarsh. Run over.
Behold, the human battering ram.
Schneider with the puck. Allison, Deadmarsh grabbed it. Allison returns it. Deadmarsh shoots! Tanguay with a wrist shot. Schneider. Deadmarsh grabs it. Los Angeles gets a hold of it. Nordstrom. Deadmarsh grabbed it. He dumps it in on the end boards. Detroit has it. White took it. That's icing. Larionov won the faceoff. Ranheim, quick shot. Yager. Lidstrom jumps on the loose puck. Bednar.
And now for the three-star selection. Tonight's third star for Detroit, number 20, Luke Robitaille.